Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 easy ways of using word dies for your cards. I have a set of 5 unbranded word dies. Each word die is a set of 2 dies. One is the word itself and one is the shadow die. I'll be using the happy birthday, hooray and celebrate dies in this video, so let's get started. For the first card, I have kept the design very simple. Here, I'm going to use both the word die as well as the shadow die. So here, I'm adhering a pattern paper that has a busy background. And now let's adhere our happy birthday sentiment. Since this video is a part of my DT project, I have used papers and materials from Impressions by Harshini. If you are interested in buying any of these materials, then please do let me know in the comments below. Because of the white shadow die cut, the happy birthday sentiment clearly stands out through the busy background. Moving on to the next idea, let's make a shaker card. I have cut a rectangular frame from a silver glitter cardstock. Next, I'll adhere an acetate sheet on the inner side of this frame. Stick a blue glitter cardstock on the card base and then a fussy cut sentiment in the center. Adhere foam tapes on all the sides of the rectangular frame. Make sure that there are no gaps in between. Add matching beads and sequins in the center of the card and adhere the frame over it. I will then stick the celebrate word die cut across the card. Big word dies like these easily fill up your card space. For the third card, I'll be using a stack of die cuts to give dimension to the card. Here, I'll be die cutting the word hooray from the center of the printed panel. We'll be using the negative space of this die cut for our next card, so don't throw it away. I'm stacking the printed die cut over 4 other die cuts made from white cardstock. Make sure to stack them evenly one over the other. I'm adhering the pattern paper first and then using foam tapes, I'm adhering my embossed panel. I used a floral embossing folder for creating this panel. Now adhere the stacked die cuts. I'm embellishing the card with self-adhesive pearls and fussy cut element. Since the dark colored pearls didn't look really nice in real, so I changed my mind and I have stuck light pink pearls instead. For the last card of this video, I'll be using the negative space that we had from the previous card. Here too, I am stacking 4 die cuts one over the other for some dimension. Adhere the negative space panel on your card base first and then fit in your stacked die cuts in the negative space. I also embellished the card with a lace die cut and some self-adhesive pearls. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you surely try out these ideas. If you have any more ideas, please do share them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now.